Hi, and welcome to this installment of Trumpet's Bite-Sized Behavior Analysis, a series where we dish out helpful ABA tips for parents and caregivers. The focus of this video is to give you some information about using token systems, a fun and effective tool for increasing positive behaviors. Let's jump in. As ABA providers and as caregivers, we use reinforcement, usually in the form of treats and fun activities, when children demonstrate desirable behaviors that we want to happen again. Reinforcement is most powerful when the reward is provided immediately after the behavior occurs. This is what helps your child make the connection between the good behavior and the reward. But sometimes providing a reinforcer can't happen right away, either because your child is learning to wait for something they really want, or because you've set aside a larger reward that can't be given often or immediately. Cue token systems. A token system is when you reinforce good behavior with some kind of item, a token, that your child can collect in exchange for a larger reward. The token allows you to immediately reinforce a behavior, bridging the gap between engaging in positive behavior and earning a reward. Another great thing about token systems, they're super low-tech and easy to set up right in your own home. All you'll need is something to use for tokens, such as stickers or pennies, or even just a hand-drawn smiley face, and somewhere to display the tokens where your child can see them. A piece of paper or a dry erase board work well. Here's how it works. Start by clearly explaining to your child what needs to be done to earn a token. Come up with things your child can do, but just doesn't do often or independently enough. Putting dirty clothes in a basket, brushing teeth, or playing quietly can all be great ways to earn a token. Next, talk to your child to agree upon a big, fun, interesting reward. This should be something they love but don't have access to all the time, something really special. Then, let your child know how many tokens they'll need to collect to earn their big reward, and draw out that number of spaces on your board. For younger children or those just learning to use the system, keep the number of required tokens low so that they can earn the reward a few times each day. For older or more advanced children, having them clean their room once a day for 7 days, for example, could be an appropriate goal. When your child completes one of the identified good behaviors, provide praise, saying what exactly they did well, and give them a token to place in one spot on their board. You'll keep doing this as your child keeps doing those good behaviors you identified. When your child has earned enough tokens, immediately reward them with the agreed-upon item or activity. Then you just start over. You'll remove or erase the tokens from the board, make another deal, and they can start earning tokens again. That's it. That's all there is to it. Token systems are a great tool you can use at home to help reinforce your child's desirable behaviors, without overdoing it on the candy. We hope you enjoyed this quick bite of information. As always, you can reach out to your clinical team with any questions or for any additional support. See you next time!